Hello everyone, I'm back today with this new delicious recipe which is known as Taro stem recipe. It is also known as phyrnap in Khasi language. So let's start cooking. This is a taro stem and we need to clean it before cooking. Be careful while cleaning it because it is a little bit itchy, and make sure you don't touch your eyes or nose or any parts of the body while cleaning it. After this taro has been properly cleaned, we will need to cut it. The ingredients required are garlic, chili and ginger, and here we also need yellow mustard seed. We'll grind all of them together and make a paste. And we'll also need onions. We will also need dry chili flake. We will grind all of them together and make a paste. And here you can see the paste is ready. The oil is needed to be poured over the heated pan, and when the oil becomes hot, we will fry all our ingredients. The oil has been heated very well, and now is the perfect time to add these grinded ingredients in the oil. This is a paste of yellow mustard seed, chili, ginger, garlic. So here we need to fry it very properly. and we need to stir it properly so that it won't stick at the bottom. In order to give a delicious look to our dish, we are using this turmeric powder. Now we'll cover it for 5 minutes and allow it to get cooked. Little amount of water is needed to be poured so that it will get boiled. I've added a little bit of water in the bowl which I have kept the paste earlier, and I'm reusing it. Cover it for 5 minutes. In order to give a delicious color to this recipe, we need to add red chili powder, the paste have become very thick, and now is the perfect time to add these taro stems and to fry them together along with the paste. Now we need to add salt over it. Friends, do keep in mind that whenever you cook this taro stem, you should stir them very properly, because these taro stems are very easily breakable, and if you don't want them to lose its shape, so you should keep in mind to stir them very properly and carefully. After a few minutes, we will need to make a paste out of these tomatoes and add in a dish. In order to avoid this taro stem from sticking, we will need to stir them from time to time. This is a tomato paste which we have got by grinding in a mixer. Now we will pour water over a curry. We will cover it for 15 minutes and allow it to boil. Now we will need to add tomato paste and stir them together. You can see our taro stem recipe is cooked and it has become very soft. You can serve this delicious recipe with rice, and you can also have it along with chapatis. Friend, let me tell you frankly that this taro stem recipe is very delicious, and whenever we get this taro stem, we used to cook it along with yellow mustard seed. This is our family style of cooking taro recipe with mustard seed. To try this recipe, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up, do comment and share with your friend. And if you are new to this channel, please remember to subscribe so that you won't miss updates. Thanks for watching.